Hello everyone, welcome to English Learning Studio. Today we are going to watch a simple and emotional conversation about losing a money bag while traveling in New York City. In this video, you will follow a realistic story between two friends as they try to find a lost wallet and visit a police station for help. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the conversation. Before we begin, I have a small question for you. Today's question: where does Alex think he may have lost his money bag? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comment section. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, New York City feels even more exciting at night.
I know. Everything looks so alive here.
Yeah, the lights, the people, the sound. It feels completely different from home.
Exactly. And there are so many tourists everywhere.
I still can't believe we're actually here.
You've said that like 5 times already.
Because it still feels unreal.
Look at that street performer.
Oh, wow, he's really good.
Today has been really fun.
Yeah, honestly, I needed this trip.
Me too. It feels good to escape normal life for a while.
Wait,
What happened?
hold on.
Alex, what's wrong?
My wallet.
What about it?
I can't find it.
Wait, are you sure?
No, it should be here.
Maybe it's in another pocket?
No, I already checked.
Okay, don't panic yet.
My money bag was in my pocket earlier. I'm sure it was there.
Did you maybe put it in your backpack?
No, I remember putting it in my jacket pocket after paying for coffee.
Oh no.
Yeah, and I also have an important paper inside. I wrote some emergency phone numbers there.
Okay, don't panic. We'll figure something out.
I'm trying to stay calm, but this is stressing me out.
I understand. Anyone would feel stressed in this situation.
I should have been more careful.
Okay, calm down first. Let's think carefully.
Yeah, okay.
When was the last time you used your wallet?
Maybe at the coffee shop?
The one near Times Square?
Yeah, I paid for our drinks there.
After that, do you remember putting it back?
I think so.
Think so or no so?
Honestly, I'm not completely sure now.
That's okay. Try to remember slowly.
Wait, maybe I took it out again when we bought subway tickets.
Oh, right. You paid there too.
Yeah, maybe that's where I dropped it.
Or maybe someone picked it up by mistake.
My cards are inside. My ID, too.
I know, but don't think negatively yet.
Let's check around here first.
Yeah, good idea.
Maybe it fell while we were walking.
I'll look near the sidewalk.
I can't believe this is happening.
Try not to panic.
Yeah, you're right.
Maybe someone honest found it.
I really hope so. I don't think we're going to find it here.
Yeah, we've checked everywhere nearby.
What should I do now?
I think we should go to the police station and file a report.
You mean a general diary?
Yeah, that's probably the safest thing to do.
You're right.
If someone finds a wallet and gives it to the police, they can contact you.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And you should also report your cards if needed.
This trip suddenly became stressful.
Hey, we'll handle it together. All right, first, let's find the nearest police station. This trip suddenly became stressful.
Yeah, good idea.
Let me open the map.
I still can't believe I lost it.
Okay, there's a police station about 12 minutes from here.
Can we walk there?
Yeah, it's not too far.
I hope someone honest found my wallet.
Maybe they did. A lot of people return lost things.
I really hope so. My cards are the biggest problem right now.
Do you have your bank app on your phone?
Yeah.
Good. If needed, you can freeze the cards later.
Yeah, maybe I should do that after the police report.
Okay, the map says we need to go straight and then turn left near the subway station.
Maybe it fell out when I took my phone out.
That's possible.
Or maybe when we were near the subway entrance.
There were a lot of people there.
Yeah, everything happened so fast.
Don't blame yourself too much.
I know, but I still feel stupid.
Hey, people lose wallets all the time.
Yeah, but I never thought it would happen to me.
That's what everyone says before it happens.
True. You know what scares me the most?
What?
My ID card. I really don't want to replace everything again.
Yeah, replacing documents is always stressful.
And my hotel key card was also inside.
Then we definitely need to tell the hotel later, too.
Tonight became a lot more complicated than I expected.
At least you're not alone.
Yeah, thanks for staying calm.
Oh, finally, we're here.
Yeah, honestly, I feel nervous.
That's normal. Just stay calm and explain everything clearly.
Yeah, I'll try.
Don't worry. Police deal with situations like this every day.
I know. I just hate losing important things.
Okay, let's go inside.
Wow, it's quieter than I expected.
Yeah, I thought it would be crowded too.
Excuse me, officer.
Good evening, sir. How can I help you today?
I lost my wallet tonight, and I would like to make a report.
All right. Can you tell me approximately where you lost it?
Somewhere near Times Square, I think. I noticed it was missing while walking.
Okay. You'll need to speak with a reporting officer.
All right.
The reporting office is down the hallway on the left side.
Okay.
Room 204. There's an officer there who handles lost property reports.
Thank you. Do I need to fill out any form first?
The reporting officer will help you with everything.
All right. Excuse me. Come in. Good evening, officer.
Good evening. Please have a seat. What can I help you with?
I lost my wallet tonight, and I want to make a report.
All right, first, try to stay calm. Can you tell me when you first noticed the wallet was missing?
About 30 or 40 minutes ago.
And where were you before that?
I was walking around Times Square with my friend. We also stopped at a coffee shop and a subway station earlier.
Okay. Do you remember the last time you used the wallet?
Yes, I used it to pay for coffee.
After paying, do you remember putting it back in your pocket?
I think so, but honestly, I'm not completely sure anymore.
That's all right. Situations like this can make people confused.
Yeah, I've been trying hard to remember everything.
Can you describe the wallet for me?
Yes, it's a dark brown leather wallet.
Was there anything important inside?
Yes, a lot, actually.
Like what?
My bank cards, ID card, hotel key card, some cash, and a paper with emergency contact numbers.
I see. Do you know approximately how much cash was inside?
I was walking around Times Square with maybe around $200.
All right. I'm going to write all this down for the report.
Okay.
If someone turns in the wallet, we'll contact you immediately.
That would be great. I really hope someone honest found it.
You'd be surprised. Many lost wallets are actually returned.
I hope mine is one of them.
All right, sir. I need some personal information for the report.
Okay.
Can I have your full name, please?
Yes, my name is Alex Carter.
And your phone number?
It's 917-555-2841.
All right. What hotel are you staying at?
The Midtown City Hotel.
Okay. If we find your wallet, we can contact you there as well.
Thank you, officer.
Now I need you to describe exactly what happened tonight.
Well, Zara and I were walking around Times Square. We visited a coffee shop first, then we walked near the subway station.
Okay.
Everything seemed normal. Then later, while we were walking, I suddenly checked my pocket and realized my wallet was missing.
Did you notice anyone suspicious around you?
Not really. There were a lot of people, so it's hard to tell.
That's understandable.
Honestly, I think it probably fell out of my pocket by accident.
That happens quite often in busy tourist areas.
Yeah, I should have been more careful.
Don't blame yourself too much. These situations happen to many people.
That makes me feel a little better.
How are you feeling now?
A little calmer, but still stressed.
That's normal.
I just keep thinking about everything inside the wallet.
At least you already reported it. That was the right thing to do.
Yeah,
Did you freeze your bank cards yet?
not yet. I wanted to wait a little longer first.
That makes sense.
You know, this whole situation feels unreal.
A few hours ago, we were happily walking around the city.
Yeah, and now we're sitting in a police station.
That's life, I guess.
Honestly, thank you for helping me stay calm.
Of course. I wouldn't leave you alone in a situation like this.
Mr. Carter? Yes. About 10 minutes ago, another officer received a wallet matching your description. Mr. Carter? Yes. About 10 minutes ago, another officer received a wallet matching your description.
We may have good news for you.
About 10 minutes ago, another officer received a wallet matching your description.
Wait, seriously?
Yes. A man found it near the subway entrance and turned it in.
Seriously? I can't believe it. I honestly thought it was gone forever.
Please stay here for a moment while I bring it.
Yes, of course.
Is this yours?
Yes, that's my wallet.
Please check everything inside.
Okay, my cards are here. My ID is here too. Even the cash is still inside.
There are still honest people in this city.
I'm really grateful.
Please be more careful next time.
Believe me, I definitely will.
Well, that ended much better than expected.
Seriously, I feel like a huge weight disappeared from my chest.
I can imagine.
Tonight taught me something important.
What?
Never keep important things loosely in your pocket while traveling.
Yes, especially in busy places like New York City.
And also, always stay calm during problems.
Exactly. Panicking only makes things harder.
Thanks again for helping me tonight.
Of course, that's what friends are for.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question one more time. Where does Alex think he may have lost his money bag first? Did you find the answer? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English with real-life conversations like this, you can improve your speaking, listening, and thinking skills more naturally. On this channel, I share simple and easy English stories to help beginners learn natural conversations step by step. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. See you in the next episode, guys. Bye, everyone.